It's virtually impossible to drill holes without creating dust. Unless you think about the task quite differently and take an approach that's never been taken before. A hollow drill bit that removes dust by suction as it drills. It's an approach that's not just new, it's simply unique. And it makes subsequent hole cleaning completely unnecessary. The drilling dust is removed by the vacuum system right at its source, which also makes drilling faster. Together with the new Hilti HIT HY200 injectable adhesive mortar, the system makes the whole operation extremely reliable and ideal for applications such as post-installed rebar connections. Well, that's a great reason to celebrate.